Hello everyone, my name is ALMOKDAD from IMT Lille Douai, and in this video I will present my PhD, which concerns the valorization of sediments in light of a life cycle assessment. Sediments is a solid material that is moved and deposited in new location. It can consist of rocks, minerals, and other organic matter. It moves from one place to another by the effect of erosion, which mainly means by wind or by water. So why we are handling such material? As the demand on raw material increase, that creates a need to find alternatives, such as waste valorization strategies. That can be a substitute in terms of technical or even economical aspects. But is using such alternative material will be less harmful than using raw material itself? That's what we will discover in our work. So let's go back to sediments. In France, dredged sediments is classified as waste, and dredging operation generate around 50 million meter cube of marine sediments each year, and 6 million meter cube of sediments from rivers and lakes. So as a waste management strategy, these materials are treated and reused in different areas and different sectors, but this action is not sufficient in terms of sustainable development. And because this issue includes a lot of details and parameters to include, so we choose life cycle assessment to facilitate the management of these data and their related results, which allow us to quantify the environmental impacts, energy usage, and natural resource consumption for the valorization life cycle. And we make a whole life cycle approach from dredging till transportation, treatment, and finally valorization. Thus we can know which material or process contribute more or less to our impact categories, which describe several environmental problems, or to our areas of protection, which are a consequence of these impacts. So we can make a whole life cycle comparison assessment between natural and alternative material, as in our example for road construction. Finally, our project doesn't just aim to help companies or decision makers to better reuse or treat or manage these sediments, but we also help them to know which is the most sustainable choice among the different choices they have. Thank you for your attention. Looking forward for your questions or comments.